Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You begin by getting both outputs ready. Make sure Airpods are in pairing mode and your headphones are connected. Once paired, open the audio or accessibility settings. This is where you'll route sound. If your platform needs an app, launch a lightweight audio mixer or use the system's multi-output device feature. Do this now so you can switch outputs quickly. It avoids disconnects later and ensures both devices appear to the OS for routing. You now make a combined output. On Mac, open Audio MIDI Setup, click plus, and select both AirPods and headphones to create a multi-output device. Make it the default. On Windows, launch Voicemeeter, set hardware out to both devices, and route your system audio through it. On iPhone, use Audio Share for 2 pairs or a third-party app that supports dual output. Once configured, test with a short track so you can hear latency and balance before proceeding. You finish by balancing volume and minimizing lag. Use the mixer or system sliders to match loudness between AirPods and headphones. This prevents sudden jumps. If you hear echo or delay, make sure sample rates match, lower buffer sizes, or briefly disconnect and reconnect one device. If problems persist, restart Bluetooth, update firmware, and check app permissions. One key tip: if audio drops, toggle the multi-output device off and back on.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.